So, guys, welcome to the first vlog, officially first vlog. Just heading out to, I think, nowhere. Let's see where we would go. Just one of those days, Friday evening, and you just got to go somewhere. Let's go. Let's go from here. So, how was your day? Mine was good. A lot of work, to be very honest. But everything is fine until you get the paycheck. So yeah, Friday night. Earlier I was planning to go for a movie, but seats were occupied already. We were thinking to go to Jolly LLB 2 or 3. I think something came up. I don't remember the exact name. Where both Akshay Kumar and Arshad Vasi are there. So yeah, we were planning to go out on a movie, but as the seats were full, so we thought like maybe we'll go tomorrow someday. But today, let's at least go somewhere. It's Friday night ritual. I'm not a kind of guy to do parties and all. I like to travel. I like to roam around with my bike. I'm just giving you my introduction, I think. Come on, man, let me go. And not this one. Up. So there are 3 modes on my lights. These lights I've got from the aftermarket only. So there are 3 modes in the light. Let me turn off all the vents. I think all are turned off. Yeah. So I've got these lights. I've got the servicing done, aftermarket. Oh my god. So we can comment down how do we find the lights out. I think they are decent enough. They are 60 watt each. That means 120 watt. So that the other person he or she doesn't go blind also. The speed breakers, man, and my mirror just. Don't try this. Let me just stop and fix it. Okay, it's done. Let's go. Let's continue our journey back. कहाँ जाएगा भाई? I need to make a U-turn now. There's a lot of traffic. Okay, let me introduce me. So I am living in Gurgaon. I work here. My hometown is somewhere else. I will let you know in the future. So yeah, I work here. I am a software engineer. Let me open the freaking lights. I'm a software engineer and I love riding motorcycles. Where is this dude? I think I need to again fix this shit. Just a second, yaar. Royal Enfield mirrors are never good enough here. I'm always, I never like these. That's why I've installed this, convex mirror. But I can at least see. The Royal Enfield mirrors, you can't easily see what's going around. Following the aesthetics. Again, is it going somewhere else or what am I doing, man? Okay, let it be for now. Let's jump to the highway. It's a busy highway, I think. I should have waited a bit. I thought let's go, man. I didn't analyze the time. Okay, it's so stupid of me. It's a busy day, I think. It's Friday night, bro. What are you guys doing? So, how's your Friday evening going on? You can comment down below. So yeah, let's see. I'll just ride through the highways, I'll just ride my bike whenever I feel like just exploring, just riding, just enjoying the Friday night. La 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 la. I can see all those red lights ahead, clearly indicating how much traffic is ahead. I want this to be fun ride, man, not a traffic ride. So where was I? I was on to my introduction, right? So I'm basically a new rider, not a new rider, but a new motor vlogger, I would say. I just installed this, just 15 minutes back only. I had this. I got my action camera last week only. I installed this. It's just kind of passion only. I have a full-time work going on as a software engineer, and this is just like my, I love riding bikes. I'm also a guitarist, by the way, so I like to play. I love music, and I like riding bikes as well. So yeah, this is my Meteor 350 Stella Red version, and today this baby got turned 2 years. In 2013 I bought this bike, and 2013 and 19th of September 2023 I got this bike, and today is, I think, 19th September 2025. It's 2 years since I've got this baby. I've named this baby Maya. Why Maya? Because everything is Maya. I've been dreaming of owning a bike for from school days. Every boy's dream to get a bike of his dream. So yeah, I saw this bike like when I got this. So for last 2-3 from that day, like from 2021, I think Meteor was launched somewhere around. I don't remember the exact date, but yeah, I saw a snap memory. So I used to customize the bike earlier. Royal Enfield has their website of customizing their bikes. I don't know whether they do now or not. At the time, I did a lot of customization in my bike. Like my dream bike would be like this. I was always confused about the Himalayan 411 and this baby Meteor 350. I rode both of them, and as this was the new engine that time, the J series engine, so I like the smoothness of this engine. It was way smoother than Himalayan 411. Himalayan 411 is a proper adventure bike, but with the old engine it was good, but it was it was not that smooth. This is very smooth. At that time I just cleared my mind, like, yes, I want this. This is the smoothness I want. At that time there were just rumors of a bigger Himalayan. So I was already been waiting for this long, so I honestly didn't wanted to wait for a long reason. I was also into Interceptor, but Interceptor GT. I am a 6 feet 4 inch guy. For me, like almost 193 centimeter my height is. So you can calculate how much in feet it is. And again we are got into traffic. So yeah, so I am this tall, and according to me, I think now I rode the Himalayan 450, and I think now that is a very good fit according to my personality. But I love this baby. At that time 411 was there, but the smoothness was not there. So I like this bike. I got this bike. I got this bike delivered on Ganesh Chaturthi in 2023. So yeah, it's been 2 years. 2 years I bought this bike, and I shifted to Gurgaon last April. Last April I shifted to Gurgaon. So I've been doing some rides here and there. Last I traveled was Harshal Valley. I will add the pictures somewhere on the screen. It was very beautiful, man. In my life, first time I saw snow. I just totally enjoyed it. I've never seen the real snow. That time I felt I was in snowfall as well. I rode bike in snow. It was very beautiful. Like I have never seen something like this in my life. So yeah, it was some odd 550 kilometers I think from Gurgaon. So yeah, I was on my bike. I traveled. That was the longest I think I've went on to my bike. So yeah, I do like the ergonomics of this bike. I just it's so nimble, it's so fun to ride. I just enjoy this bike. And there are some future ride planned, not finalized, but yeah, I'm thinking of going somewhere. I think in the next week. It is almost done. I will travel somewhere around Rajasthan, I think. Let's see. But I will go. I have the gloves in my tank bag. I'm riding the Orazo boots for now. I have the riding gloves in my tank bag, but it is very hot here in Gurgaon. So they are mesh, but still, it's very sweaty all around. So I'll think of wearing it in other half of the ride or something. But for now, I'm just enjoying the breeze. It's very hot here. Yesterday it rained, but again it's so hot. Okay, so we are going straight to Bhiwadi, I think. This is my go-to road. Many of the times when I feel like just just take a break or something, I just catch this road and I just ride. This road is wonderful. I would just travel. I don't know where this road goes. I just go in one direction, and whenever I feel like going back, I just make a U-turn and come back home. But I usually travel onto this road late at night. After 10, after 11. Today, first time I'm traveling this early, and that's how the traffic is here. I don't know where these people are going. Let's see. Till where I can travel the road. This road specifically, while talking to you guys. The toll tax is here. Toll gate. But we never have to pay the toll gate. because bikes are free. There's a lot of traffic, dude. It's 9:16. Okay. Oh, Marshall. I don't know what this was for. First time I've been got by the cops. What was this, bro? Why did they stop me? Did they saw? Why did they stop me? Did they saw the camera? What was this? Wow, man, great content. First day of vlogging, and they just stopped me. I don't know why. I've traveled to this road many of the times, but I've never stopped by the cops. I don't know why today they stopped me. They looked at me. They checked the number plate, and they just let me go. Wow, because of the LEDs. See what only. If I got the 80 watts, then I don't know. A big fine. And to be very honest, I don't know how much they charge for these lights, or even they do or not. I have no idea for it. First day content at its peak. I still don't know how the audio is there. I just started recording. I just plugged into my mic, and I hope everything is recording perfectly. Otherwise, I just have to put, some music. Sadly, let's see how this works. When I will get to my editing table, then I will see how the audio is, how I positioned the mic, everything. I also play the intercom, so two mics are just right beside each other into my chin pad. One for the action camera, and another for the intercom. And this is DJI Action 4, by the way. I've got the adventure kit for this adventure combo. I was thinking, I was confused between both. The not recently I would say, the 5 Pro came, and the 5 Pro came, and along with that, I was just comparing both of these camera, the 4 and the 5 Pro. So what I found out that the 5 Pro is good. The storage part is good. You get some default storage without using the SD card in it, so it is good. But I think more over the quality. Like, I saw those videos where they just add the comparison without telling you the names. So there I didn't found so much of a difference, and sometimes I even stated a particular video to be a 5 Pro, but it actually came out of 4. So I don't think the quality, it is just 1920. If I could just simply suffice it, otherwise that's the perfect sweet spot, I think. For the adventure combo of 4, I would get just the standard combo of 5 Pro. So I am a bania, so don't quote me on that. But yeah, I think this was a reasonable purchase. I got it from Amazon. I didn't wait it for the sale. I think I saw the price history and everything. I didn't saw much drop into that. It's a traffic, yeah. I'm not liking this. Why this dude has turned on his hazard light? think what do you think the light positions are? Is it fine? Should I just tilt it middle, move down or up? What do you say? What would you suggest? I don't make other person blind as this guy was doing. He was just riding on I-beam on the wrong side. I don't think it is on the sweet spot. I think the lights they don't look like a high beam or a proper low beam. It is somewhere around low beam, I would say. It's what I feel from this particular angle. I don't know how it's being shown on the camera, and I don't know how it's being shown from the front of the bike. I would definitely give it a view. And for now, as of what I think it is somewhere in the sweet spot. Now the peace around this place. There's open doors, highways, a bike, you're just sailing around. I'm on 5th gear with 80 kmph, easily cruising. And why is this on just turn off? 50% off sale. Okay. I need to correct. Yeah. I hope the audio sounds good, man. I have not tested. I have just set up everything today only, and I just came out to record. And let me go, bro. What is this, dude? Oh, there's some kind of cover? Okay. What is the purpose of this? No idea. So this tank bag is from Rhinox 10 liter. I find it a sweet spot, I have the rain cover, my gloves, my wallet, house keys, everything inside this for now. Earlier I was using some different magnetic tank bag which was small, and it also became a sling bag. I used it for like the first day I got the bike, the third day I got it purchased. So yeah, it was with me for like around 2 years, and this I got, I think, last month something. I don't exactly remember. Yeah, but somewhere around last month. I will go far and then I will see how much storage does this bag has, and how much useful this is. It's a nice road. Let's try above 80 how the voice is coming. There is more of a what I can say, a video which would give me a clarity how my audio and video are working. So this is more of a reference video, you can say. Yeah, from mainly the audio. The video I have shot one video earlier. It was the first First long video, you can say. I uploaded 3 to 4 shots, and first long video. This is the second video, you can say. Why am I seeing these many ghosts, man? I still get scared because of these lights, man. I don't know they will stop me or what. And this bike, it has halogen, so you can't just simply see in the night. You can't spot the potholes with just the halogen. The lighting, the headlight is very bad at night. I went to Herschel that time. I didn't have this installed. Oh my god, it was a hassle. I have to turn on the high beam the whole time. I have to hold it like this so that I can just get a view. It was a tough ride without these lights. I need to go on a good ride. Next week I am planning to go on a ride. So at that time I will see how much useful this is. It's a nice highway, man. Honda City. Why this dude is rushing this much? The smoke. He hasn't got his car service, dude. Black fumes coming out of this car. I don't want to get this. I hope wind noise is not there in the helmet, because like my chin mount is it has 2 layers, one velcro to another. I put the mic in between those two. Okay, Daru Hera. I don't know where that place is. This bike can go around 120. I took it around 120. I took it to 120 safely, of course. But the sweet spot of this bike lies within 80 to 100, man. Can cruise comfortably. Kilometers you can cruise it without getting any pain. And the seat is just like a sofa, man. It will hurt you after 150 to 100 kilometers. So I am planning to install a air seat into this. So Amazon, I added into the cart. Just added, Like next ride, I think it could be around 335 kilometers one way from here, from my place. So yeah, we will try to cover it as soon as possible and as safely as possible. We would have another Meteor in the group, and I think one Avenger. I think 3 bikes would be there, 2 Meteors and 1 Avenger. Let's see how the plan goes. We were planning to go this weekend only, but then we thought, hey, what are they doing, dude? Then we thought like we would go next week only. The Shraz would also get rent, and we will also go to the temple. There is a Brahmadev temple. Shivji cut off his head, and I don't know the whole story. I just know that Shivji cut off Brahma's head, and it just fell in Pushkar. So yeah, we are going to Pushkar. It is almost fixed. If my friends wouldn't go, then I'll plan for a solo ride. Let's see. Like I've started the motovlogging channel. So I will try to, you know, I will try to travel. I will try to motovlog how much as I can. I like the motovlogging concept. Initially I saw it. What is this guy doing? Okay, you go, bro. You also go, bro. The first time I saw any motovlog was of Mumbai ka Nikhil. I followed his videos. So, like I set up alarm. Like earlier, he used to upload I think today also he used to upload videos at correct 9:30 a.m. So I set up alarm for 9:15, 9:20, and every day my morning started with his vlogs. So initially, he was much into motovlogging. Then he became a lifestyle vlogger or whatever you call it. But initially he used to be a motovlogger, and I just loved, I just love bikes. So and POV of this motovlogging, everything, you just feel like you are the one riding it. Even if I am or anyone else is riding the bike, if you see the videos, it feels like you are the man in charge. Would I get a U-turn, bro? I used to see his videos. Initially, he started with KTM, I think. KTM Duke, something he had. I don't remember, but he had KTM. Then I saw the Triumph Tiger. Oh man, that bike was huge. It was so lovely. The RAV also was very good. And of course his mom gifted him BMW. So yeah, we all get many of my friends who also like bike riding, they also follow him for quite long time. Okay bro, you go there. I will also go there, man. There's a huge traffic ahead. I don't want traffic yet. Is there any U-turn by any chance? I think I should take a U-turn now. Oh my god. What is the traffic at this point of time? Oh bro, slow down. Ah man. Cool. Thank you, buddy. Oh bro, I need a U-turn now. Okay, now the service road also got the traffic. People, I'll leave it. Will I find a U-turn, bro? Oh my god. Nanvi, Nishu, Nanny, Harry, what is it? Okay, maybe your 350 with some off-roading, sort of off-roading. That was a flash round, man. Okay, Thar and Thars. Everywhere Thars. It's a new one. Arey yaar. This is a wrong day to come to this road, man. Shall I go left? Shall I go right? Let's try with left. Okay, he will go left. Crazy man. Oh, bro. Okay. I will cut that part definitely. The silence I got it, bro. A bit, but yes. Yaar, these people, you know, yaar, wrong side they come. I'm still thinking of that police dude, man. I will see his face again in the editing. So they had a word of what they did, man. Why did they first stop me? And why did they just let me go without asking anything? That scene is still going on in my head. Why are they not going straight? What is this dude doing, man? Bro, will I ever get a U-turn on this road, yaar? Or do I have to also go to, wrong way only? When would I get a U-turn? Oh my god. Let me get out of this traffic and then I will continue, guys.